Excel function that evaluates a string as if it were a formula. Suppose I have a text string like 11 plus 5 or even equals 11 plus 5 stored in a cell. Is there a function in Excel that will allow me to actually evaluate that string as if it were a formula? This would be helpful for another project where I would like to be able to write dynamic formulas in Excel.
Evaluate is available in VA and all current versions. You can include it in UVA code, or wrap it into a simple UDF to make it available as a worksheet function. It basically treats the value of the passed parameter as an Excel formula, same as if it were entered in a cell. 11 plus 5 and equals 11 plus 5 will produce the same result.
This is a semi-function. It can only be used in Name Manager. This is how you can use it. Point to a cell and you open Name Manager, from the Formulas tab or by clicking Ctrl plus F3. Write equals evaluate and click on the cell you want, best to keep relative reference. Finish the formula with. Give it a name, in this example I'll just call it Eva. Click OK. Now, let's suppose that you've selected B1 and made all this refer to A1. In A1 you can put 1 plus 1 and in B1 you write equals Eva. Once you've hit enter, the B1 value will be 2. As the reference in Name Manager was relative, you can use equals Eva to get the evaluation of any one cell left from where you want it. E.g. in B2, equals Eva will return the result of cell A2.
There is an important caveat with the great answer from @Carol and @Laurentiumerica. The evaluate function won't recalculate unless the referenced cell changes. For example, cell C1 contains the text A1 plus B1 and D1 contains the function equals eval. If the values in A1 or B1 change, the cell D1 does not get recalculated. This can be corrected by introducing a volatile function into either the string or the eval cell. This will force a recalculation every time the worksheet is recalculated. For example, cell C1 could be replaced with equals if today, A1 plus B1. Or, D1 could be replaced with equals if today, eval. Any volatile function should do. A third and perhaps the simplest solution is to change semi-function in the Name Manager to equals if today, evaluate C1.
If you use this in a cell, alongside concatenate, it can be very useful. For example, this formula will display the value of cell B5 on another worksheet, the name of which is stored in cell A2 on this worksheet. To make indirect work, the external worksheet must be open.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.